I am sorry. I am more sorry than I can say.
A few words survivors waited a lifetime to hear. The Archbishop of Canterbury apologizing for residential schools.
It is the rawest, wickedest, most terrible thing to molest a child while you read them the Bible.
It follows a day of searing accounts at James Smith Cree Nation in Saskatchewan from those who suffered physical, emotional, and sexual abuse in the facilities. In November, the SHA said it delayed roughly 26,000 surgeries between March 2020 and October 2021. Government data shows 479 surgeries were canceled in that period because the patients waiting for procedures died. That's 100 more than before the pandemic. The robbers went through every room in the house. You can see here they tore apart this chest of drawers looking for whatever they could find. The closet door here is smashed. And I want to show you something in the hallway. You see the wooden panels here on the ceiling. They tore some apart, hoping to find a hiding spot. Saskatchewan. Tonight we look at the province's mental health care system, access to it, and the tragic consequences when it fails. We begin by speaking to two parents whose children died by suicide, despite having many interactions with hospitals and healthcare staff. They say they tried to aid in their adult child's treatment with their child's consent, but were prevented from doing so. And a warning, this story contains content that may be disturbing to some viewers.
You guys so soft. You guys so soft.
Carrie Rigby Wilcox remembers her last conversation with her son.
He puts the gun out in the air and he shoots it 2 times. He says, "Mom, this is real. This is real, Mom. I'm done. I can't do it anymore."
On December 22nd, 2018, Stephen Rigby died, shot by police in an armed confrontation outside Saskatoon. His mom believes it was deliberate, the final act after months of escalating suicidal behavior. The fourth wave of COVID-19 hit Saskatchewan hard. On Monday, the province began transferring patients to Ontario. Infectious disease physician Dr. Alex Wong says it was inevitable.
We know informal triage is happening at the bedside, having to make hard decisions again about who gets access to, sort of resources and who does not.
After repeatedly setting daily case count records, new infections have finally started to plateau, but ICU admissions keep going up. Wong says the province needs gathering size restrictions. On Monday, Saskatchewan's chief doctor
Kind of got awkwardly close to me and said, of course, if you and your girlfriends move in here, cleaning wouldn't be the only thing I would get you to do to repay me.
Sylvia was 18 and working at her boss's home office in 2002 when she says he propositioned her. He was 56. Sylvia would eventually report him to police, who said there was nothing that would lead to an investigation or charges. A civilian watchdog has found RCMP officers acted in a racist and discriminatory manner when telling Colton Bushy's mother about her son's death. Suicide, too.
Those kids that committed suicide did not even speak their own language. They've lost their language. They've lost their identity.
Roberts wants the Archbishop to visit every reserve, saying it will help him understand the horrors inflicted on children in the name of God. Nathaniel Dove, Global News.